Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm very much excited because I discovered the laziest way that anyone can use to make money online for themselves. Now, it doesn't matter whether you are a newbie right now, you can be able to use what I'm about to share with you right now to be able to start making money online for yourself without having any special skill or even having any experience, because we are going to be using a free AI tool to be able to implement all the strategies that I'm going to be showing you right now that will guide you towards making money online for yourself. And the best part about this is that we can be able to achieve this in just less than 10 minutes. Okay, so all I'm asking for you guys to do right now is just to give me 10 minutes of your time and pay close attention to this particular video right now to see how we can be able to build a highly successful online business right now using a free AI tool. Now, before we get into today's video, if today is your first time of seeing me right here on YouTube, my name is Martin, and right here on this YouTube channel I share with my followers legit online business model that is proven to help them to start making money online. So if that is what you are looking to achieve, maybe you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, or you want to go ahead and start up an online business by the side for yourself to be able to start generating that extra income for yourself, this is the right channel for you right now. So all you have to do right now is just to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, like this video, and click the bell notification icon so that you always get updates once I drop new YouTube videos right here on this YouTube channel. So the free AI tool which we are going to be using to make money the lazy way is known as Build Your Store AI. This is a unique AI tool which you can quickly use to set up your Shopify store and start selling winning products that are currently making money for other people in your market. And here are some few reasons why I like this AI tool. The first one is that it is free for you to get started with, and the second reason is that it's going to provide you with a winning product that is currently making money for people right now. All right, and the third reason is that you can be able to do this without needing any prior skill or experience. So let me walk you through on how to quickly get your store up and running, get it preloaded with winning products, and also how you can be able to get quality traffic that you can use to start generating massive sales right here on this platform. So what I'm promising you right now is that before the end of this video, you will have a fully functional online business that you can use to start making money right away. To get started, all you need to do right now is to go to the video description of this video, and you will see a link that says get your free AI store builder. Click on that link and it's going to bring you to this exact page that I am on right now. Okay, you can see get a free AI built Shopify store in less than 2 minutes. Okay, so come down right here and click on build my free store. Now mind you, you can do this using your desktop or you can do this using your smartphone, whichever one you have right now. You can follow me through. So go ahead right now and put in your full name, your email address, and your password, and click on next. Now it's going to bring you here where you are going to go ahead and pick a niche. Now you can either go ahead and pick fashion and apparel, pets, electronics and gadgets, home and garden, sport and fitness, or if you don't know the niche that you want to go with, you can go ahead and click on I am not sure. But I always encourage people to choose what interests you. Okay, so like me, I'm actually a gym bro, so I actually go to the gym every day. So I will simply go ahead right now and pick this sport and fitness. All right, so once I've done that, I'll simply go ahead and click on done. The next step is for me to go ahead and choose the banners I need for my homepage. All right, so I'll go ahead right now and choose 2 of these banners right now. Okay, so I'm going to go with this first one right now, and I'll also go ahead with this 5th one that I have right now and click on done. Now the next step is for us to go ahead and create our Shopify account. So I'll go ahead and click on access Shopify. Now once you land on this page, go ahead and click on start your free trial to start your Shopify free trial. All right, once you have done that, it's going to bring you over to Shopify right now. So right now it's going to ask you where would you like to sell. So we can simply go ahead right now and skip this whole page by clicking I don't want help setting this up. Okay, and right now you have successfully created your Shopify account. So now that you have created your Shopify account, the next thing you need to do is to go back to build your store right now and go ahead and click on done. And the next step is to go ahead and link your Shopify store to your Build Your Store AI account. Now the next thing we have to do right now is to go back to this our Shopify store right now and go ahead and copy our store URL right now. So once you copy it, come over right now and go ahead and paste it under this store URL and click on save. Once you save it, go ahead and click on done. Now the next step is to go ahead and grab your Shopify discount, by choosing a plan. Okay, so go ahead and click on access Shopify once again. Simply go ahead and add your credit card or debit card details, or go ahead and click on pay with PayPal. But know that today you are actually still on your free trial when you are getting started. Okay, and once you're done adding your details, just go ahead and click on subscribe. Now the next step is to go ahead and add your business address and also your locations and your phone number. Once you're done with that, go ahead and click on save business address. As you can see right now, your business address has been saved. So simply come over right now to build your store AI and go ahead and click on done. So now is the time for us to go ahead and install the Build Your Store app on our Shopify store. So go ahead and click on Install App. To bring you over to this page, go ahead and click on Install, and the app has been installed on our Shopify store right away. So now it's now time for us to go ahead and customize our store. So go ahead and click on this Customize Store, and it will go ahead right now to start customizing our store for us. So now that our store is now customizing, I just want to make sure right now that you guys are still following me right now. Okay, so if you are still following me, make sure to go ahead right now to smash that like button right now to let me know that you are still following. Okay, now the store that we are creating already comes with winning products inside, which I'm going to be showing you, and these winning products we are supplied by a tool known as AutoDS. So this is an app that will help you to add winning products to your store and also help you to deliver those products once a customer purchases a product from your store. So this is helping you to create an entirely passive income model for your online store. So to get started with AutoDS to add our products, just scroll down right now and go ahead and click on register to AutoDS. All right, so right here you need to go ahead and add your details right now to join AutoDS, and right here it will ask you to select your selling channel. So we'll go ahead and click on Shopify. So right here it's going to require you to go ahead and pick a plan. All right, so if you take a look right here, you can see that you can be able to get up to 500 products if you go ahead and start with this starter plan, okay, which is the most popular plan. Okay, and you can start now for just 0.99 cents. All right, and this is actually the most recommended one you should go ahead and go with, but you can also decide to go with this import plan right now. So I'll go ahead and click on start with this starter plan right now. Go ahead and add your card details right now and click on continue. Now once you have successfully signed up, just go ahead right now, you will see welcome to AutoDS. All right, now go ahead and click on add your first store. So come around right now and click on I have a Shopify store, connect it to AutoDS and click on continue. Now once you've done that, it will prompt you to go ahead and install this tool. So go ahead and click on install AutoDS, click on install again, and once that is done, you have successfully connected your store with AutoDS. Okay, now go back to buildyourstore.ai and go ahead and click on done. Now with this, you have successfully set up your Shopify store. All right, now because you're using the buildyourstore.ai tool to be able to set up your Shopify store, you are actually going to be getting an exclusive TikTok advertising offer where you are going to be able to spend $100 and get $300 for your advertising to be able to drive traffic to your store. Now to go ahead and claim this offer, all you need to do is just to go over right now and click on this get free ad credit, come down right here and click on claim this offer. All right, now once you have claimed your offer, you can simply come down right now and click on done. All right, now the next thing is to go ahead and publish our store. So I will go ahead and click on access Shopify. As you can see right here, your online store is password protected. So we'll come down right now to where we have password protection right now. Uncheck it right here and go ahead and click on save up here. Now once you have done that, go back to our buildyourstore.ai and click on done. Now our store is now ready for us to view it. Okay, so if I go ahead and click on access my store right now, so right now you can be able to see our fully built Shopify store using the build your store AI tool. All right, now you are going to see the banners that we added right here from the beginning, and if you take a look right here, you can see the different pages that it has gone ahead to create for us, the new arrivals, the contact us page, the track your order, and if we scroll down right now, you are going to see the different hot selling products that it has added for us right here in the new arrivals right now that customers can add to cart and purchase. And you can take a look at the social proof we added right here, which is testimonials from customers right here. Okay, and if we come down right now, you are going to see the other pages that we'll have right here, such as about us page, FAQ page, contact us, shipping policy, return policy, order tracking, terms and conditions, and some other information right here, like these social media icons are added, and the payment method it has added for us right now. Now, in case you want to change any information on your store, for example, this shipping policy, as you can see, it has added the shipping policy right now. For example, let's say you want to go ahead and change that all orders are being processed within 1 to 2 business days. For example, you want to change it to 3 to 4 business days. All you simply have to do right now is just to go back to your Shopify store, click on online store, go ahead and click on this customize tool right now. It will load up your shop right here. Scroll down to the bottom right now and select that particular page you want to go ahead and change. As you can see, it has opened it up right now. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to come over right now. You will see these 1 to 2 business days. We can go ahead and change it to 3 to 4 business days right now. Once you are done, simply come over right now and click on save. As you can see right here, the changes has been implemented right now. Okay, now you can do well to scroll down and change all the necessary information that you want to change. For example, your store name, you add your email, and also add your phone number. You can do all that right here. Okay, now another thing you might also want to change is your logo. So go ahead and click on the header right now. Go ahead and click on theme settings to go ahead and edit your logo. You can go ahead to change your logo, change your favicon, and also change your typography and layouts, and any other changes that you actually want to make right here. You can be able to customize it right here under these theme settings. So as you can see, by following these simple steps, you can be able to launch a fully functional online store without having prior experience or any specialized skills. By using Build Your Store AI and AutoDS, you can easily streamline all this process. Now there is no longer excuse. So go ahead right now and start your e-commerce journey and watch your side hustle grow into a thriving business. Now, one bonus tip I would like to add for you guys right now is how to start driving massive traffic to your site. Now you can go ahead and claim the exclusive TikTok offer that I showed you guys earlier, but let's say that you want to do everything right now for free. Now you can focus on organic content marketing. Now the best way to do this is for you to start making videos of your product. Now once you make those videos of your product, go ahead and set up your social media account, most especially on Instagram and on TikTok, and start posting those homemade videos you're making using your product on those particular accounts. Now by doing this consistently, you will start building up your own following who are interested in that particular niche, and from there you can easily redirect them to your stores to buy a product you're trying to recommend them. Okay, now another way you can do this is for you to go ahead and set up a blog site based on your niche, so that you can be able to add your product as recommendations when you are writing articles. Okay, now if you'd like me to make a full video where we'll go full in depth showing you guys how to be able to promote your stores without spending any dime, let me know in the comment section and I will go ahead to make that video for you guys. All the links that you need to get started right now is down in the video description of this video, and I hope you find this video valuable. If you do, consider subscribing, liking, and clicking that bell notification icon, and see you on the next one.